Are you ready to unlock your body's true potential and break free from the limitations of traditional gym workouts? It's time to explore a revolutionary approach that will transform your fitness journey and empower you to reclaim your natural strength. The secret lies in bodyweight training, a powerful method that rebuilds what gyms often dismantle. Imagine stepping into a gym, surrounded by machines that guide your every move. These familiar routines reinforce straight-line lifts and isolated motions. But in real life, movement is far more complex. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, and catching your balance require integrated coordination, something that traditional gym equipment often fails to address. But here's where it gets controversial. Research from Stanford University in 2024 reveals a startling truth. Bodyweight training, a practice honed by our ancestors over millennia, offers a 33% boost in aerobic capacity and an 11% stronger core. It's a game changer that challenges the status quo of gym culture. The gym dependency trap is a real issue, and it's not just about the money. Americans spend an average of $696 annually on memberships, yet many don't use them consistently. The real cost is the loss of movement literacy. Dr. James Smith from Stanford explains how resistance machines create supported movement patterns that bypass our stabilizing muscles. Jenna Tubbs puts it simply: machines guide your path, but life doesn't. Contrast this with a Japanese study where older adults achieved a 15% strength gain with just 6 bodyweight sessions per month. No equipment needed. The cycle persists because gyms market convenience, but functional fitness expert Mark Davis highlights the fundamental misunderstanding. You're training muscles, not movements. This misunderstanding keeps people returning to environments that work against our natural biomechanics. Every time you choose machines over movements, your body loses something vital. When you bench press on a machine, 47 stabilizing muscles disengage, leading to atrophy. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, on the other hand, demand constant micro-adjustments, engaging entire kinetic chains. A Stanford study measured this, showing an 11% improvement in core endurance, because every movement required torso stabilization. The stabilizer muscle shutdown is a real concern. You might be able to leg press 300 pounds, but can you carry a 40-pound child upstairs with ease? Gym strength operates in fixed planes, while life demands multi-directional power. Sarah Johnson, a physical therapist, explains, functional exercises train multiple muscles and joints together, reducing injury risk while improving natural movement. The bodyweight squat, for instance, activates over 200 muscle fibers simultaneously, compared to just 30 isolated by a leg press machine. Real-world strength is about more than just lifting weights. Machine training creates strength that doesn't transfer to everyday life. Your nervous system adapts to guided movements, supported positions, and isolated muscle activation. Dr. Emily Tanaka emphasizes that even moderate strength training using bodyweight exercises improves muscle power and counters sarcopenia. Your ability to catch yourself from falling, carry uneven loads, or climb over obstacles should not deteriorate despite gym attendance. The bodyweight breakthrough is about rebuilding functional power. Researchers tracked young women through a 10-week bodyweight protocol, resulting in a 33% increase in aerobic capacity, a 6% gain in lower body power, and measurable flexibility improvements. No weights, no machines, just progressive bodyweight movements. Dr. Michael Rivera confirms, our study confirms bodyweight training boosts multiple fitness parameters significantly within just weeks. The transformation mechanism of bodyweight exercises is fundamentally different from machine training. These exercises force your nervous system to coordinate multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Every movement becomes a balance challenge, a core stability test, and a coordination drill. Your body learns to generate force while maintaining equilibrium, exactly what real life demands. A magic number for effective results is just 6 lower body bodyweight workouts per month, as revealed by Japanese research with seniors. That's totally sustainable, and it's a far cry from the daily commitment often demanded by gyms. Functional fitness asks for consistency, not obsession. As Lisa Cohen from Delaware Fit Factory says, functional fitness suits all levels and empowers women to build strength that improves quality of life. Your transition plan is simple and cost-effective. Houston Methodist's athletic trainers compiled 27 bodyweight exercises covering every movement pattern. Start with single-leg deadlifts for balance, squats for leg power, and planks for core stability. Jenna Tubbs suggests adding resistance bands for increased difficulty and strength gains, but these are optional and cost as little as $15 to $30. Compare this to the monthly gym fees with no guarantee of consistent use or functional improvement. Your investment in bodyweight training is $0, but the return is immeasurable. You'll gain movement competency that transfers to every life situation. You'll lift luggage overhead with ease, play with your grandchildren without back pain, and climb stairs without breathlessness. Your body will move as nature intended, integrated, powerful, and fluid. No more gym membership cards or excuses about close facilities. Just you, gravity, and the strength you've rediscovered. Frequently asked questions: can bodyweight training build significant muscle mass? Absolutely. Stanford's 2024 study documented measurable muscle endurance increases, plus 11% core, and power gains, plus 6% lower body, in just 10 weeks. Progressive overload through angle changes, tempo variations, and movement complexity increases the challenge without external weight. How does bodyweight training compare to traditional gym workouts for fat loss? Bodyweight circuits elevate heart rate for sustained periods, creating an effective calorie burn. The Stanford study showed a 33% improvement in aerobic capacity, indicating significant cardiovascular conditioning that supports fat metabolism. Additionally, functional movements burn calories during and after workouts through EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Do I need any equipment to get started with functional fitness? Initially, 0 equipment is required. The 27 Houston Methodist exercises use only body weight. Optional additions include resistance bands, $15 to $30 for progression, and a foam roller, $35 for recovery. Dr. Rachel Nguyen notes that functional fitness supports mental focus and reduces stress by combining physical activity and mindful movement. Imagine the possibilities 6 months from now. Picture yourself moving with ease and confidence, your body strong and capable. It's time to embrace the power of bodyweight training and unlock your true potential.